I know this is a Kia, but it's the same as a Hyundai. We got this warmer that warms the coolant when you start to kind of get up the temperature better. You see it's leaking, it's in because it's overheating. Looks like somebody was already messing around with it, the other bolt. I'm going to take these out and see how much coolant just kind of starts flowing out of there. Let me find a place to mount the camera and get this set up. So somebody was already messing with this. I can tell just from, because this isn't a factory setup, this bolt system here. It should be like this. There was a lot of coolant in there, so this part's what's leaking. We have to get order one of those. I was just looking on the computer here. Here's the exhaust system. This is the part that's leaking here. This is called the exhaust recovery system, the exhaust heat recovery system. That's what's got to be replaced. Alright, so we don't have the part, of course. I mean, it is a Kia and we're at Hyundai, but it should be the same thing. You can see the coolant in there. All the way up to that little boner thing. I'm going to put this back together. Pretty simple. So if you replace one, we got to take these hoses off, and then you got to refill the coolant, of course, because all the coolant's going to drain out. So there's a lot of smoke coming from under the car too. When I was pulling it in, it was like smoking because it's, you know, burning all that coolant in there. And then I came in, had the overheating. So, I mean, this is something to look at when you have that problem, if you have this system. Well, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. So I got it replaced. I was just letting it run for a little bit. All that coolant still in the exhaust, just shooting out. A little trail. See it down right here. I tried to get on the gas a little bit, try to get that stuff out. Ran it for a while. Probably need to run it for a while more.